Hi everyone, this is Penguin Trades. We're looking at the ES futures on a 500 tick chart. So we're just getting short here at the overnight high. So this is the initial uptrend for the day. Got a break, push up to a new high. That plays out the uptrend. We got these two attempts to reverse, pushed up at the measured move, making this wider uptrend in play. And so this uptrend plays out, break, push up to a new high at the overnight high. That gives us a nice two-legged reversal, which right at that measured move starts pushing on higher, right up to the overnight high again. And so when price reaches the overnight high, it's a very strong level here, and it just pushes out and fades right back in. This pushed us up into another two-legged move. Now, this two-legged move here, I didn't want to short directly on the measured move because even though it is a two-legged break from this, downtrend right here, it is still two sharp legs up, and overall this uptrend has been holding pretty well. It hasn't been able to reverse at the overnight high, so that is telling you that there's a lot of bulls in the market even at this point here. And so it's a great reaction, great bearish reaction to that here, and that's what I wanted to see before getting short, not just wanting to short right at the measured move. And so that's the idea behind this trade here. We're already out. That was a very quick trade, just 1-to-1, writing it down to the support right here. And yeah, so quick trade, just wanted to kind of show what I'm doing. I got to trading a bit late today. Usually I start right at 8, but today was, I really only got started around 9:45. So anyway, just wanted to share what I'm doing here. We're getting this two-legged move down here. So, this is just price action playing out typically. This uptrend here, the wider one, got a break, two pushes up, attempting a new high. Right at the overnight high, it starts pushing on lower here. We go into a reversal pattern from the top. This is technically a first entry long, second entry long failure. So failed second entry off the overnight high. It's just a little bigger picture. 1-to-1, riding down to that support. And yeah, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'm probably not going to do a lot of recording today, but next week I will be doing a lot more. So I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.